Hi everybody. What I have today is a Denbrass challenge lock, and there's the awesome button on the key. Absolutely awful button. The lock does work absolutely fine. I wasn't doing this lock to start with. I was going to be doing Leon's lock pad, the psychotic lock, first, because he sent me the parcel. But I'll just turn this, and if you can see just here, the top popped off and two springs fell out. So I don't know whether, it doesn't look like he threaded the chambers, but it might have just been loose. So I'm just waiting for a response off him to find out which spring went in which one, and then I might be able to do that one again. But I won't take a look at the pins in it because I don't want to know, because it is a very unusual lock, but we'll wait for the video for that one. So back to this one. As I said, a Denbrass, and there's the button. And I will be using top of the keyway tension, pin side tension if you like, and I will be using a short hook. Just get that right. Got to click out a 2, a little click out of 4, 2 clicks out of, yep, 2 clicks out of 5, click out of 1, no one's loose, click out of 3, feels solid, loose, come back to 1, one's loose, got a click out of 2, got another click out of 2, click out of 3, but I don't know whether I've dropped some stuff there. 2 clicks out of 4. Just touched on pin 5 there, got a little click out of that. Just touched on pin 2, I think that was there. Could have been pin 1. And that was definitely pin 2, and we do have an open. That time was pretty fast considering the bitting of that key. Just move this light out of the way. Nearly got stuff trapped in the keyway there. And it is a challenge lock, so it will be getting shimmed. The back like that, I still do have the follower that I got from Foxy, which is absolutely amazing for these locks because it slots in just nice. So it's still in use, very often as well, I might add. some weirdness going on there. But as you can see, everything needed to be picked. And considering that bitting, I would have thought that was a 0 lift. But as you can see, it looks like it was an overset trap. And there's threads in every single chamber by the looks of that there. So we'll dump them out. Heavily serrated in chamber 1. Serrated in 2. 3 looks like a tiny reduced diameter spool. I think this is going to be a pin in pin. Yep, it's a pin in pin. With serrations, as you can see there. So that was a nice overset trap, but it didn't catch me this time. And again, nice serrations with a reduced diameter serration there, type of spool. Yep, every chamber was threaded. I'll take a look upstairs. See if I can try and get these as they come out. Upside down keeping, but very nice serrations in it, and a bit of spool action. Very nice, sort of a T-pin end on that. Drop the spring. Very nice sharp serration there with a reduced diameter again. Looks like another steel spring. Nice serrations in that. Get it up for a better look. Some really nice pins in this den. Can't really see that one. I don't have one of them light up followers like all you posh people out there now. Very nice deep serration and sort of a bit of spool action there, even though it's probably just a wide serration. Doesn't seem to want to come out, that spring. Yeah, that one doesn't want to come out. I'll go from the back for the last one. Some lovely serrations in that. Some really nice work. Try and get this one as well. I think they are all the same. There we go. Take a look down there. Nothing done to... No, nothing done to that. So there you have it. Just zoom in a little bit. Very nice lock with a lot of serrations in there. Really beautifully made pins. I love how many serrations this one's got. And an awesome overset trap pinning pin. But, as I said, didn't get me this time. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks, bye for now.